Hello, Joestar. Hello. I'm not coming out here to video you. For a change. I'm coming out to look at this nest here. And this Dipsis Condreo palm. And I've come out to tape it up because it's on the last leaf. When these leaves, it's starting to die, that leaf. So in a few days this leaf will just break free here and that whole nest will come crashing down. So I've got to try and tape it up. Now I can't remember what I saw fly into it the other day, whether it was a thrush or a blackbird. I can't quite... Oh, there she is. Where are we? Where are we? There we go. Well hidden in there. You have a thrush or a blackbird? Can't tell. Anyway, I'll just tape this up. So I haven't done any updates in the last few weeks because I've been pondering the future of the Pheasantasiam in light of strange, disturbing new evidence. I'll let PewDiePie explain.
Whoa! Hold it right there. You watched this video without smashing like and subscribe? That is not epically. Being asleep, realizing birds aren't real. But birds are real. Birds are real, right? Sorry, I gotta Google this. Robot bird prototype. Surely this can't be correct. What's the difference between these two birds? Absolutely nothing. Belief in birds? Intelligence. Birds aren't real. Charleston, Georgia, Idaho, Little Rock, Los Angeles, London!
So welcome back to some quick headlines. China takes spying to new heights. The country now reportedly using drones that look like real birds, similar to this video.
Reportedly, these drones are equipped with cameras, GPS antennas, and data links to communicate their findings back to Chinese intelligence.
Birds. Oh my god. I have never seen a baby pigeon. I have never seen a baby pigeon! How can birds be real if baby pigeons aren't real? Birds aren't real. Open your eyes and smash like if you've never seen a baby pigeon. This is extremely important.
Anyway, enough of that rubbish. How you doing? How you doing? You're real, aren't you? Yeah. Pretty sure you're not a bunch of robot birds. Hey, yeah. If you believe birds are not real, please unsubscribe from my channel immediately. Although, I'm pretty sure everybody who's here knows what birds are. Hello. Yeah. It's a show off. It's very hard to video you there. Awfully close to the camera. You're so cute sometimes, Joestar. Oh. On with the show, Joey. On with the show, mate. As you can see, Sauvignon wants to get back in with Blanc. Move me along, mate. I've just taken the eggs away from Blanc, as she's been sitting on them for way too long now. Nothing happened, so that's a first. Normally, they're very fertile, those eggs. So I'm gonna put, move me along, mate. Sauvignon back in here, and the two of them can do what they do. I've still got a quail in Straub's aviary at the moment. She needs to go back in that side. She keeps getting picked on. I don't really know what to do with it. And Yellow and Pinky currently have 4 eggs in the box again. But once again, I don't think they're going to be fertile. I don't think Yellow knows what to do. Hello. Hello, you. Grasses are doing really well in here. Nobody's been pruning the tops of them. Moose wins. Can you move so I can get in? Thank you. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Now, I've been away for a couple of weeks, that's why there hasn't been any updates to speak of. You nearly flew straight into the lens, didn't you? It doesn't make good film when you're on my shoulders, guys. No, it doesn't. Now, Tweety is sitting on eggs again. I'm just trying not to disturb her, so I'm not sure how many she's sitting on. Just letting her be. I'm going to have to go in there in a minute to get Sauvignon back out. Hopefully that doesn't disturb her too much. Where is Sylvester hiding? Where are you, Sylvester? Sylvester? Oh, there he is, up above. So Tweety is in that box there still. She's where she wants to go, so I'm letting her do that at the moment. No Joestar. I'm gonna get dizzy doing this, Joey. There's a bit of a storm coming, so I'm just going to come out, tidy things up a little bit before the storm hits. It's going to be very windy this afternoon and through the night and through tomorrow. It's going to be wet and windy. Not impressed. What's going on? I'm trying as much as possible this year to let the birds that are nesting just do their own thing. And so in these 2 boxes here we have turquoisines, and I'm not sure what's going on. They've all been a little bit strange this year. The red rumps, the quail, turks, nothing seems to be hatching. So I'll leave those ones until the next video and we'll check to see if there's anything in there. You get rid of that old leaf? Where's Sauvignon gone? What have you done with him? So Sauvignon is back with Blanc somewhere. She loves coming out and eating these weeds. And the other quail has been put back in the other side again. What's up, Five? Come on, Sav, where are you, mate? You come down to get some grass, Yellow? Come on. Come on. You're scaring Yellow away, you big brave boy. Had fun catching him. He ended up in the main Pheasantasiam for a little while. It's not one of the birds making that noise. Yes, had to quickly call the wife out, try and rescue him before Swinny ate him. I'll leave you out here for a little bit, eh guys? I'm trying to remember when I come back out that the door's open. Someone's still using the box. Hopefully my duct tape here will hold this palm intact, and hopefully the nest is secure enough on that leaf there that it's going to withstand the wind of the next 48 hours. Time will tell. It's 10:30 at night. Sometimes teals are just too cute. Oh, it's heard me.